Hey, welcome back, you guys. I'm at the Commodore right now, and I'm gonna give you a tour of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Commodore, Panama City Beach. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. My name is Sean Casilli, and I'm currently doing a buyer's agent preview of a condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, listed at the Commodore. This one is listed by Anita Baird with Corcoran Reverie. Thank you, Anita, for letting me do a buyer's agent preview of your beautiful listing here. If you guys want to just take a look from the front door, this is your view of the South Lagoon, and you are walking distance to great restaurants. We got Patches right there. We got the state park just down the way. This is one of the last condo buildings. We're at unit 607. This is one of the last condos on the southeast end of Panama City Beach before you get to the state park. So excellent location if you like the state park. It's very close. We have 8-foot ceilings in these units at the Commodore. Bedroom number 1, you got a nice walk-in closet. We have a LVP floor in this bedroom and the closet. It does connect to a bathroom, which we will check out in 1 second. Right as you walk in the front door, you have your utility closet with your air handler and water heater. Both of these look in very good condition, if not brand new. Off to the left, we have our kitchen. Looks like a quartz countertop. Washer and dryer here. Got hookups there. You could potentially put a stackable right there and then make this entire area a pantry. But if you like your uppers only, you know, a side-by-side works as well, as you can see. If you're washing dishes, this is your view. Beautiful living room, and you can hear the ocean calling us. Feel free to skip ahead if you just want to see the views from the balcony, but here's the bathroom. Got a shower here with a step for sitting there. Tile through the entry, the kitchen, and the living room. Back to LVP in the primary bedroom that has the Gulf view. You got a sliding glass door here that is storm rated. This is a new door. And you have another bathroom here. So here you have a shower and tub insert. One piece, which makes it easy to wipe down, and then another walk-in closet. Okay, the part you guys have all been waiting for. Let's get to that view. From your balcony, there is the hot tub and the pool, which is heated. In the summer, you don't really need it heated. The sun does that for you, but in the off season, you're gonna have it around 80 degrees. There's another hot tub here. And then your private gated access to the beach there. Your sunsets in the summertime are gonna be right about here. The time on May 6th is about 5:25 right now. And you can see down the beach towards the state park. At around high noon, these waters are absolutely stunning turquoise. Check the playlist, the cards area up above, where you see the eye popping up right now, for other videos that we've done of the Commodore, so you can see what the water looks like at different times of the day. All right, you guys. This has been Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and thank you again, Anita, with Corcoran Reverie, for allowing us to do this buyer's agent preview for you. If you guys have a suggestion or you have a condo that you would like to see on the channel next, go ahead and drop a comment below if you like this kind of content. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Give? Is that a word? Give? Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Talk to you on the next one. Bye for now.